We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9970 printer. We've been getting a replace drum message. So we're going to show you how to replace that drum and reset that drum message. So you want to make sure you leave the printer on. And then with the printer on, we're going to go ahead and open the front door here. And the first thing we're going to do after that is we're going to pull out the drum and toner tray. And then just to make things easier and take some weight off of everything, we're going to go ahead and remove all the toner. So we're going to remove each of the toner cartridges and set them down on a clean, dry, flat surface. Now that we got all the toner removed from the drum tray, we're going to actually remove the drum itself. So on the left side, you'll see a green tab with a number 2 on it. You're going to push that so that it actually kind of pushes to the side here. And you'll see a number 3 handle on the back. And so you'll grab that and you're going to lift it up and pull out the drum. And just like that, you've removed your drum. So once you unpack your new drum, you're going to do the exact opposite to put it back in. You're going to have it kind of tilted. Just get it into place. And then before you can push the drum unit back in, you're going to have to push this green tab back down. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall all of our toners. Now that all the toners have been reinstalled, go ahead and put it back in. Close the front door. So now we've replaced the drum. What we're going to have to do is once this initializes, we'll have to go back in and reset the drum counter so that the printer knows that there's a brand new drum in the machine. So just give it a second here. Okay. So we're going to go to Menu and use the down arrow key to find Machine Info. I'll select Machine Info. And then we're going to go to Reset. We'll select your drum. And then once you select your drum, you're just going to push 1 to reset it. And just like that, you've reset your drum. And that way, not only did you replace your drum, but your printer knows that you have a brand new drum in it, and that should take care of that message for you. And just like that, it should be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.